This is a 13-year-old little girl who was suicidal, went to a hospital for help, and got tortured and held hostage.
A Frankfort father files a lawsuit against a mental health facility alleging they drugged his daughter and held her against her will. WRTV investigates, finds that the dad's complaint is not the only one. Our Kara Kenny joins us now with what patients are alleging and how the company is responding.
At least 3 lawsuits have been filed against Options Behavioral Health Hospital in Lawrence, alleging they held patients against their will. One of the lawsuits involves a child who was a patient there.
She had started to have some suicidal thoughts.
Craig Inman thought he was doing the right thing.
My daughter had just tried to kill herself.
He took her to the Witham Health Services emergency room in Lebanon, Indiana.
What is that like as a dad?
Terrifying.
The ER transported his daughter, who was 12 years old at the time, an hour away to Options Behavioral Health Hospital in Lawrence.
What did you want to happen for your daughter?
Obviously just to get some help.
When was your first sign that something was not right?
First day.
Craig and his wife Elizabeth say they had a hard time getting details from staff members.
We just kept calling them and they were stonewalling us, and I couldn't believe that because, again, as a nurse, I always take phone calls and I always answer questions, especially parents.
When they talk with their daughter on the phone, they say she was upset and out of it.
By that time, they had already started pumping her full of medications.
Craig filed this lawsuit on October 7th against Options Behavioral Health and its parent company, Acadia Healthcare, which operates facilities across the country. It alleges Options staff injected his daughter, identified in court documents as MI, with the shot, a highly potent injection that would cause patients to sleep for many hours, unaware of their surroundings and unable to protect themselves from harm. The Inmans say staff did not take proper safety measures either. Their 12-year-old was involved in several fights with another patient.
They were tasked with keeping children safe, and instead they incited violence.
The lawsuit also alleges Options held MI against her will without any medical basis.
I'm really angry. Like, I'm trying not to. I'm really, really angry. I know how a hospital functions.
Why file a lawsuit?
I don't want them to get away with this again. They should not be able to do this to children.
Adult patients say they too were held against their will. Law firm Cohen and Malad represents the Inmans, and they filed 2 other adult lawsuits against Options Behavioral Health.
We want this to stop. We want this to stop happening to our Hoosier kids, to our adults. These practices taking advantage of patients for monetary gain is absolutely deplorable, and it should not happen.
Records show Options billed the Inmans insurance $36,000 for their daughter's 2-week stay.
All of their actions suggest let's make money.
Just last month, Acadia Healthcare agreed to pay nearly $20 million following a U.S. Department of Justice investigation. The feds alleged between 2014 and 2017, Acadia kept patients for improper and excessive lengths and knowingly submitted false claims for payment to Medicare and Medicaid. WRTV Investigates asked to speak with Acadia on camera about complaints related to Options Behavioral Health. They declined, telling us, due to privacy laws, we cannot comment on specific patient questions, but our commitment to excellent care, well-being, and integrity remains steadfast. Acadia also says decisions on patient care are not business decisions, they are medical ones. After countless calls, the Inmans transferred their daughter to another mental health facility. She just turned 13, and while she's doing better, she's not out of the woods.
Still sleeps with the door open. It just makes me pretty much terrified that they've done some permanent damage to her, and I'm scared of that.
If you ever have to go into a hospital or mental health facility, make sure to ask for the Patient Bill of Rights. It outlines what your legal rights are. Kara Kenny, WRTV.
Acadia Healthcare says over the past 2 years, they have invested in new technology, clinical protocols, and training. They've also expanded their leadership team to help provide safer, higher quality care. You can read their full statements in this story on the WRTV app and at WRTV.com.